I'm back with a human hair wig review that I'm excited about because it is from my most favorite human hair wig company, and that's Unice. If you're new to this channel, you wouldn't know, but if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Hey y'all, I'm back with a human hair wig from my most favorite human hair wig company, and that's Unice. Y'all know they are my favorite, or maybe you don't. If you're new here, please subscribe. Unice is my favorite, and I upload probably 2 to 3 Unice wigs per week because they are my favorite. Speaking of, I'm almost at 70K subscribers, and once I hit that 70K, I'm giving away 7 human hair wigs. Most of them will be Unice units because I just love them so much. All I've done was take this unit out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in this beautiful pink box that is great for storage. It's hard. I love this so much more than the soft box that I rip and destroy. So it comes in this hard pink box. And then when we open it up, what they included here is only 3 things, but it's the 3 things that come standard with every unit, and they're things that I would use. A pack of HD wig caps, an edge brush or comb with a rubber end on it, and an edge band with their branding on it. All right, so the wig that I have today, speaking of stocking cap, the wig that I have today is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. It is a loose wave and it is 24 inches long, okay? Let's take it out of here so we can look at the cap constriction up close. They also included some pre-everything tabs in here, which I love, and I use these on all of my wigs. All right, so here's the wig right out of the pack. Hold up, some more plastic. And it is very, very gorgeous right out of the pack. So when they say pre-everything, they really mean pre-everything. It's been pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-curled, pre-everything. And I really love that as a beginner or someone who can't comb hair. I love that when they say pre-everything, they truly mean pre-everything. So that off the rip is gorgeous to me. Then as far as the cap construction goes, we get that 13x4 parting space in the front with those 2 pre-everything tabs already attached. Also above those pre-everything tabs, you see that we have 2 combs for more security to the right and the left here at the top. So cool, cool, cool. In the back, we have a comb, some adjustable straps, and my favorite part, we have a drawstring. This makes the wig feel so secure to my head without it hurting my head. So I love the drawstring. That's my favorite feature on all of these wigs. And we also have an adjustable glueless band on this unit as well. So this is like dream cap construction with this drawstring. I think I'm going to love. We also see that they have a roller in the top because they have a bang that has been pre-curled into this unit, which is going to give us a very feathered look, I'm thinking. Okay, so gorgeous wig. What I'm going to do is put this on my head. I'm going to give you the 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Tell me what you want and I
guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and this is why Unice is my most favorite human hair wig company. Y'all know I have 3 boxes that have to be checked: affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. Unice has the most affordable human hair wigs on the market right now. I'm very, very candid when I tell you guys that, and I say it so often because it is true. Very, very good prices. The one, and this probably should be number 1, is beginner friendliness. Can I comb this wig as somebody who cannot comb hair? And if I can, you can. When Unice says pre-everything, y'all, they mean pre-everything. This has been pre-curled for me. This has been pre-plucked for me. All I did was pull this on my head and push some of those baby hairs back so I could pull some up in a ponytail. That's it. So beginner friendliness is really 20 out of 10. So that's my number 1 check. Okay, and then of course the quality. The quality is top notch, superb. I've never gotten any bad units from Unice, and so that one is 10 out of 10. Can I recommend this one? Heck yes. If you look down in the description box, I'll put a direct link and all the details on this one because I think this is so cute, so fun, so flirty. Of course, it was pretty when it was all down, but y'all know that's my deciding point. Can I pull this in half up, half down easily? And I could. I do also like that they've cut like some extreme layers into this unit, even here on the side. I just put down the glue, that pre-everything tab right here, and I pulled it down and pulled a little bit of hair out, and this is what we got. I think that looks really, really good for a beginner. Yes, so I definitely love this one. I definitely recommend this one. Like I said, in that description box, I put a direct link and all the details on this cute unit. Until next time, which will be very soon because I got one more Unice wig. Bye, guys.